Hey everyone, Bendability for Beginners is now available. So what will Bendability for Beginners do for you? You know how you've always wanted to touch your toes, be free from sore shoulders and tight hips, improve your posture, or just stop feeling as stiff as a plank. Over the years of teaching yoga, I've identified the number one reason that my students come to yoga, and that's simply because they want to increase their flexibility. Students would tell me that they sit at desks all day and suffer from aches and pains in their neck and shoulders, their back and their hips. But here's the truth, most yoga classes don't increase flexibility, they simply demonstrate it. And let's face it, chanting Om isn't going to help your back pain. That's why I created this program, to cut the fluff and give you the exact poses and techniques that you need to increase your flexibility. And you don't just have to take my word for it. Check the description below to see what people are saying about my previous Bendability for Beginner courses. And don't forget, if you purchase now, you'll also get this amazing bonus of 6 weekly 1-hour live classes with me and the Bendability community worth over $72 completely free. These classes will motivate you to finish the pre-recorded content, then they'll maintain your flexibility and your new yoga habit. But the doors are only open until October 11th, so you'll need to act fast. Click the link below this video to sign up now, and I'll see you soon on the mat. Boom, chaka-laka-laka, boom.